The Tamil anthem controversy has erupted again in Tamil Nadu. The Tamil anthem was played last at a government oath-taking event. This has triggered strong political reactions. This is the second such incident in 2 weeks. Earlier, on May 10th, a similar issue created a major row. The state song was played after Vande Mataram and Jana Gana Mana. The order broke long followed convention. The earlier incident took place during Vijay's swearing-in ceremony as Chief Minister. It led to widespread criticism from political parties. Allies also expressed displeasure. After the first controversy, TVK assured correction. The party said the Tamil anthem would be played first in future events. Officials also cited a central government circular at that time. They said the governor's office had directed the sequence. They claimed the Tamil song was played last due to administrative instructions. They promised it would not happen again. However, the issue has now repeated at a recent oath ceremony for 23 MLAs. The Tamil anthem was again played last. This has sparked fresh outrage. Opposition parties have strongly criticized the government. The DMK said the promise made earlier was not kept. It accused TVK of failing to protect Tamil pride and protocol. DMK leaders questioned the government publicly. They asked why the same mistake happened again. They demanded accountability from the administration. TVK leaders defended the arrangement. They said Lok Bhavan organized the event. They said the state government had no control over the program sequence. They also repeated that the assembly will follow proper order in future. Allies in the coalition also raised concerns. CPI leaders said the incident violated the established tradition. They demanded a clear explanation from authorities. Congress leaders also reacted strongly. They called the incident unfair. They said the Tamil anthem should always be played first at state functions. Some leaders blamed confusion created by central directives. The union government recently made Vande Mataram compulsory at formal events. This decision was taken during its 150th anniversary. It has added to the debate on protocol. MDMK leader Vaiko strongly opposed the inclusion of Vande Mataram in Tamil Nadu government functions. He said the Tamil anthem must come first. He urged the state government to ensure proper order in all events. He also said no controversial changes should be allowed in official ceremonies. He insisted that Tamil anthem must always be given priority. The controversy has now become a wider political issue. Parties are blaming each other over protocol failure. Cultural sentiment and administrative rules are both at the center of the debate. The matter is expected to continue in political discussions in the coming days. Stay tuned with us for more updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.